Sehana Magic Art.
Hello friends, welcome back to Doodle Drawing. Today we are going to draw something super cool. Can you guess what it is? A red colored helicopter flying high in the sky. First, let's draw a big oval for the helicopter's body. Nice and round, just like this. Now let's add a little window in the front. Can you guess who's flying it? I am flying it. Next, draw a long tail at the back. And don't forget the tiny back rotor. Spin, spin, spin. Now comes the fun part, the big spinning blades on top. So shiny and bold. Almost done. Add a little blue in the window.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Awesome. Now let's color the whole body with bright red color. Wow, it looks amazing. And there you have it, your red helicopter is ready for takeoff. Great job, little artists. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun drawings.